promoters' lack of experience in running a festival in the Bay Area. The two-day concert, which ran from September 24 and 25, got off to a rocky start with some members of the audience complaining about a few chaotic scenes and an overall lack of organization. Even with all of those noise complaints, the SFPD said there were no arrests reported over the weekend. It's opening night. It was opening night for the 45th Mill Valley Film Festival. Stars of the upcoming film Glass Onion, a Knives Out mystery, gathered for a showing along with hundreds of other film fans. KCBS's Jeffrey Schaub reported from the red carpet. Pretty impressed on the red carpet is Kate Hudson, who plays Bernie J in the movie. Here's what I asked her. Did you think you'd be part of the festival? Have you done this before?
I've never been to Mill Valley. I've been to other places in Moran, but and the irony is that my son, my ex-husband lived here for many years, so.
Sorry to hear that.
I'm like, how did he get up here? It's so beautiful, you know. I'm like, oh, now I know why he moved up here.
Yeah, you can breathe.
Yeah, you can actually breathe.
She's totally nice, very normal, and as you can hear, likes to laugh. The film also stars Daniel Craig, who portrays Detective Benoit Blanc.
Amazing. I mean, wonderful. Yes, he's Daniel Craig. He's brilliant. And
we drink martinis?
we both drink martinis.
She said the cast really had a blast together and thinks it's a very funny film. This is the 45th Mill Valley Film Festival season. It runs through October 16th. In Mill Valley, Jeffrey Schaub, KCBS.
You might be surprised to know that some Californians actually try to catch great white sharks for food, fun, or excitement, even though it's illegal.
But a new state law set to take effect in January will make it harder to fish for them. Among other things, it will limit the use of bait, lures, and chum that often draw great whites. The law's backers say it won't just help protect the sharks, but also keep people safer in the water, because there have been cases where swimmers have encountered sharks that were attracted by those things. KCBS News Time, 12:55. Look at your money.
This is a Bloomberg Money Minute. Today is Jobs Day. An hour before the market opens, the government will have its September jobs report. It is expected to show a slowdown in hiring from August, with still solid 255,000 jobs. The unemployment rate is seen unchanged, 3.7%. Stocks have fallen in the last 2 days, but the market remains positive for the week. A Delaware judge has halted Twitter's court case against Elon Musk over his $44 billion purchase of Twitter, giving the companies until October 28th to complete the deal. If it isn't done by then, the judge will set a trial for next month. The new ruling is a win for Musk, who earlier asked the judge to pause the lawsuit. It's one of the most successful footwear collaborations ever. Now Adidas is putting its relationship with Kanye West, who now goes by Ye, under review. Ye is accusing the company of stealing his product designs. Larry Kofsky, Bloomberg Radio.
Shouldn't you breathe clean air all day, every day? Help protect yourself with IQ Air's Health Pro Plus Air Purifier, the #1 large room air purification choice for viruses. These Swiss-made air purifiers were chosen by the Hong Kong Hospital Authority not only for SARS-CoV-1, but also SARS-CoV-2, a virus that causes COVID-19. Using patented industry-leading hyper-HEPA filtration, the Health Pro Plus captures particles down to 0.003 microns, the smallest that exists. Now, and for a limited time only, use the promo code KCBS5 and save 5% on your Autumn or Health Pro Plus air purifier. Visit IQAir.com/US or call 888-409-6202. That's IQAir.com/US or call 888-409-6202. Help protect your loved ones and get the healthy indoor air that you deserve today. The roar of our engines, the pump of our hearts, the pedal to our metal, the sparks that ignite us, the pistons that push us, the passions that drive us. From the feelings that move us to the places that nearly 6,000 stores and over 17,000 auto care centers. Napa has America's largest network of parts and care, here to keep you firing all cylinders. Finding great care
on ZipRecruiter, get a quality candidate within the first day. Try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/free. That's ZipRecruiter.com/free.
Individual rates, coverage, and savings may vary. Subject to terms and conditions. Not available in all areas. Actual pie customer.
The other workers' comp insurance company, they were going to reclassify our business, and then they were going to charge me $50,000.
Meet Natalie, owner of the carpentry shop. Shocked by an unexpected bill, she knew it was time to switch her workers' comp provider. That's when she found Pie Insurance.
When we got the quote back from Pie, it was a sigh of relief. They put us in a policy where we stay.
Is your small business overpaying for workers' comp insurance? See how much you could save at TryPie.com.
Plus, with pay-as-you-go billing, your premium is based on your actual payroll, which means no additional bill if your business grows.
I'm grateful that there's a company out there that's willing to insure us little guys because every dollar counts.
With Pie Insurance, you get pricing and coverage made for small businesses. What are you waiting for? Ask your agent for Pie or get a quote in 3 minutes at trypie.com. That's TRYPIE.com.
Traffic and weather together on the 8th, 12:58. We have another report this hour from Frank.
And we are looking at a new problem being reported in Pittsburgh, westbound 4, just past Railroad Avenue. That's a new crash. We have one car facing the wrong way in the far right lane. Some good news, though, in that same area, we have had the Lone Tree Way off-ramp from eastbound 4 shut down by fire crews who were staging to battle a small grass fire off of the shoulder of the off-ramp. That off-ramp has now reopened, and that fire is now out. We still do have a lot of stop and go behind some road work. 3 left lanes toned off southbound 101 from 90 Expressway to 87 Santa Clara to San Jose, and stop and slow traffic approaching in through those cones. Your next update at 108 on the traffic leader KCBS.
Thanks, Frank. And heavy marine layer, coast and bay this morning. It'll be sunny skies with warmer temps, inland, even some low 90s. Traffic and weather together on KCBS. It's Friday, October the 7th, 2022. Coming up on KCBS.
This is Matt Bigler in Merced, where locals react to the senseless killing of a family of 4.
I just couldn't believe it. I still kind of don't.
I'm Alice Worth in Oakland. Why there are claims of retaliation by the school district with recent teacher firings. In Southwest Florida, another day on the road to recovery after Hurricane Ian. I'm Elisa Clancy. CBS News covers the world next.
When you need to know. KCBS AM, KFRC FM, and HD1. San Francisco, Oakland, San Jose, and Odyssey Station.
1 o'clock.
This is CBS News on the Hour, presented by Indeed.com.
I'm Tom Foti in Washington. President Biden warns the risk of what he calls nuclear Armageddon is at its highest level since the 1962 missile crisis because of Vladimir Putin's unpredictable behavior and his invasion and war in Ukraine. Mr. Biden with that warning at a fundraiser Thursday night in New York. Earlier, he made a major move to overhaul U.S. pot policy, pardoning thousands convicted on federal charges of simple marijuana possession. He's suggesting state governors do the same.
It should have been done a long time ago. You know, there's so many shops you look around every corner for selling weed, and the person that's in jail for doing the same thing, whatever the amount, they're in jail for life. And it's not fair. It's not right.
The president's son could be facing federal charges of CBS News learns federal investigators think they have enough evidence against Hunter Biden in tax and gun purchase cases to make that recommendation to a Delaware federal prosecutor. In Las Vegas, there is a suspect with no known motive in stabbings on the famed strip. They left 2 people dead, 6 more hurt, 3 of those reported in critical condition.
Security footage shows a man running down the Las Vegas Strip moments after police say he stabbed 8 people.
The weapon that we recovered was a large kitchen knife. The scene is under control. The suspect's in custody, and everything appears safe as of now.
The suspect, a man in his early 30s, was apprehended within minutes with help from a nearby casino security. Witnesses say at least one victim appears to be a showgirl who takes pictures with tourists along the strip.
CBS's Danya Backus in Northern California.